Tempted by Temu's free gifts but wondering if it's too good to be true? Let's unravel the reality behind those tempting offers in just 90 seconds. First, let's talk about how you actually get these gifts. Temu often uses these as incentives. You'll usually have to invite new users to download the app, complete specific tasks, or reach a certain spending threshold to qualify. The crucial step is to meticulously read the terms and conditions, pay close attention to shipping fees, potential data collection practices, and any hidden costs associated with claiming your free gift. Don't just skim, understand what you're agreeing to. Now, for the trustworthiness aspect, experiences vary wildly. Some users receive their free gifts promptly and as described, while others report delays, substitutions with lower value items, or simply never receiving anything. A major risk to consider is data security. Be cautious about sharing excessive personal information or linking your payment methods. Always double-check Temu's security certifications and privacy policy before proceeding. Researching online reviews is key. Look for patterns in what users are saying about the free gift promotions or their consistent complaints about certain aspects. Use this information to make an informed decision. So, are Temu's free gifts trustworthy? It's a mixed bag. While some offers are legitimate, the potential risks and varying user experiences mean you should proceed with caution. Always prioritize your online safety, and remember to read the fine print before participating in any promotional offer.